In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bonfire, and I'll show you how you can buy it step by step. Now, a lot of these videos out there on YouTube which show you how to buy Bonfire are very broad, and they don't really show you step by step. It's all over the place. So I'm going to show you what you need to do step by step, and I'm going to buy some Bonfire with you guys. Before we get into it though, I do want to say I am not a financial advisor, so anything that I say in this video is for educational purposes only. So with that out of the way, we'll go to my phone and I'll show you what you need to do. So the first thing that you're going to need to do to buy Bonfire, you're going to need to buy some BNB. Now, I buy my BNB from Binance, so if you want a link to Binance, I'll leave one in the description below. If you haven't got an account, just go ahead and click on that link, sign up to Binance, and you should be able to buy some BNB like me. Now, when you're on the Binance page, when you've verified, you can go ahead and buy some BNB. Now, to do that, you will go to Markets, you will go to BNB, and you can just go ahead and buy some Binance or BNB here. So I can just go BNB. So when I'm here, I can just go ahead and buy some BNB. So I could go BNB to Great British Pounds if I had British Pounds in my Binance account, and I could just go ahead and buy it. So by clicking the green buy button, or I can go ahead and buy with fiat and just buy Binance straight with my debit card. So I could just enter in here £15 and then buy it with my debit card. So you can see I can buy it with my bank card, and I would just make sure that BNB is selected here. So I've actually already got some BNB, so I'm not going to go through this process right here of buying it. But if you wanted to buy some through Binance, that's basically how you would do it. And if you buy with credit card, you're going to pay a little bit more in fees, but it is going to be instant anyway. So that's how you would buy BNB on Binance. So if we just go to my wallets, and then we go here to spot, you'll see that I already have $22 worth of BNB. So now, once you've got your BNB, the next step is to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet. So if you go to the App Store or the Play Store, you can go ahead and download the Trust Wallet here. Now I'm going to open the Trust Wallet, and you can go and download this by going to the Play Store and searching for the Trust Wallet. And you need to set up your account on the Trust Wallet. It takes around 30 seconds. Just remember your 12-phrase key, and then you should have your account. You can see here is my account here. Now the next step is to go ahead and transfer our BNB that we've just bought on Binance over to the Trust Wallet. And you do that by going to BNB. You then go to receive. You can then copy your address here, and we can then go back to Binance and send over our BNB. And to do that, you go to BNB, you go withdraw, you go ahead and paste in your address here, and I'm just going to use the maximum amount of BNB and then click withdraw. So now we're happy with that, we can then confirm it, and I'm just going to go ahead and verify this code here, so I'll be back in a sec. So now my withdrawal request has gone through. Now I have to wait for the withdrawal request to be accepted. So I'm just going to go ahead and check, see if it's gone in right now. I'm pretty sure it won't be in there right now. We might have to wait 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so after around 10 minutes, I've now got the BNB inside of my Trust Wallet here, as you can see. Now what we need to do, we need to click on BNB. We need to go to More, and you need to go ahead and swap it for Smart Chain. So go swap to Smart Chain. And then we can just go ahead and swap all of it if you want to change all of it. I'm going to do all of it here 100%, and then we're going to go swap. Okay, it seems like we can't do all of it. We'll just do 75% and then go swap. And we can then swap our BNB into Smart Chain. So we'll go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the swap has been successfully complete. And we can now go back. So now we've got $16.64 worth of Smart Chain. So now what you want to do, you want to go to the app section here, and you want to go ahead and find PancakeSwap. Now you might not be able to do this on iPhone. If you can't find this, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and go to the description of this video, and I'll leave a link that you can just go ahead and paste into Safari so you can get to PancakeSwap. So if you're on Android, you should just be able to go to the apps and then PancakeSwap. And here what we can do is swap our Smart Chain for Bonfire. So just make sure your account's connected here. Go ahead and click on Connect. and I'm just going to connect the Trust wallet here, and you can see it's now connected. So now we can go down and we can go to swap, and we can swap here Smart Chain for Bonfire. So we are using the maximum amount of BNB we have, and we are going to swap it to Bonfire. Now when you go to select a currency here and you type in Bonfire, it probably won't show up. So what you actually need to do, you need to go ahead and type in the code for Bonfire. Now here is the code, I'm just going to go ahead and paste it in. I'll also leave it in the description below if you just want to go ahead and copy it. So we've got Bonfire, we're going to add that. And there we go, we've now got Bonfire selected. Okay, so now we're swapping our Smart Chain BNB to Bonfire. So we're just going to go ahead and swap that. So we'll just click swap. If you get an error message like this, just go ahead and don't do all of your BNB, just go ahead and do a little bit less. And also, sorry, what I forgot to mention here, go to the settings here and just change the slippage tolerance to 12%. After you've done that, you can then go back and we can then try that transaction again. And there you go, we can go and approve all of this. We can click approve. And there we go, the transaction has been submitted and we should receive the Bonfire within around 5 to 10 minutes. We can also view the transaction here. So let's just have a look. And you can see it on BSC scan. Here is the transaction. So what you need to do now, you might not see Bonfire in your Trust wallet. You want to go to the settings icon in the top right hand corner. And then just go ahead and search for Bonfire. And it should appear here. So Bonfire, just go ahead and enable that. And once we've got that enabled, we can then refresh. And you can see I've got Bonfire in my account, in my wallet. So that's how you can buy Bonfire now. It's relatively easy once you go through all the steps and once you've done it once. I hope that video was helpful. If it was, make sure you do leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more crypto content. I'm learning crypto and I'm teaching it to you guys as I go.